Guys, so last time we made this, made it so that when you can't just spontaneously place blocks wherever you like. You have to mine blocks first, and then you can only place as many blocks as you've already mined. So today I'm hoping to make some simple kind of inventory system for just possibly just at the slots at the bottom for quick access. But we'll see how much I get done. Okay, the idea is that I just made a sprite, um, yeah, sprite for like the bar at the bottom. So make it height is gonna be 10. No, it's not right. We're gonna make it 20 by 180. That looks about right. Um, yeah, anchor it to the bottom then instead. And position Y 100. Nope, make it like 50-ish. Okay, and then we're gonna apply. Are you joking me? Got this inventory bar texture that. Okay, do I need to put a material on it? I might have to. Damn. Material for transparent unlit material, and then put that on it. So it looks weird, but that's going to be what you have to put on that. And then it looks like this. So I'm also going to bilinear, no point, no quality, on apply. There we go. So we got this thing. I'm gonna, it's the idea with this. It's probably actually too small. I'm gonna make it like twice the size. Here we go. Yes, the idea is that I will just be able to put different inventory, the simple inventory slots in these things. So yeah, I want to make a bigger square to put on top of it, make a rounded for the one that's selected, and the little images inside. Okay, so I created another little sprite here of the yellow outline, and then I'm just taking the sides of the rock and dirt. I'm actually going to switch the dirt texture to make it not try to. Yeah, to make it more pixely. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write a simple program to move this thing, move this to whatever number you press. So 1, 2, 3, etc. So then I make private, or make a private game object selection because that's game object selection, because then it's just confusing us, assign it and start. Selection, fine, rename it to lowercase s because that's more. Sections, nope. Game object dot find selection. And then let's say, you know what? Actually, we're gonna make this not. We're gonna make it. So there's such thing as a rect transform selection. Actually, I'm very proud of this. Selection dot get component of type rect transform. And then we can adjust it down here. So I'm just going to fill in for each of these. Selection dot position dot x equals 0 will be negative 320. I'm going to do similar for each of these. So this is what it called? Selection. PoseX? Interesting. Okay. This is strange. G. J. Passed it. P. Anyway. Position.x. Fine. Equals new vector 3. It might be vector 2, I don't know, but 320, 0, 0. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for this. So this is like moves 80 for each one. So this is 320. The next one, the rock, is at negative 240. So I'm just gonna go through that quick and change all those. Okay. Now, I did that. I'm gonna go and test it now quick. Okay, so don't know why that rock didn't in there anymore. Okay, you can see the things at the bottom. Mr. 2 did not work. Okay. So I just moved it back, I think, or something. Interesting. Let's see where it is actually. Where is it? Okay. So it looks like it's 20. How to change? I'm gonna just look how to change. I need the vector 2, so that did work. I'm just gonna change those to vector 2 then. We'll try that. Don't know if that'll exactly work, but we'll see. Okay, so 2. No, still don't do anything. So I set at negative 1520. It's like all the way out there. This doesn't make sense. Okay, I'm gonna see if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, see, it's down the bottom left corner at 5, 6, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so it does actually, for some reason, oh, plus its parents transformed by position. So it's based on the wrong thing. So you just have to add. Why is it not selection dot local position? Okay, yeah, that works. So we're going to switch this to local position now. Okay, now that'll work. Okay, so 2, weird. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. So I don't know why the bar is up there, so but it does do that. Which that is good. Except it's just not. Okay, so I think that's the thing we can fix in here. So negative 114.83333. So item bar just subtract. Yeah. 114.8333. That's the position. And then all these things will be at 0. That should work better. Okay, so 2. Why? It's like just a little bit too high. $50. Don't understand this. Not that one, this one. And try like negative 50. Actually, here's the test we do. We just press a button, and then pause it and then see what it's at. So click 1. Its position is at 150. Adds 1. Okay, so negative. Is that? We're just gonna try negative 150.1667. That might. If that does it, that'll be cool, and I'll switch it, but that's not the good solution, I don't think. 2, 1, nope, I'm not. Okay, so we're gonna make it 0 again. No, I'm gonna do that. It's in a good spot. The position of that is at 0. Or what if we do, look at this, where's this at? So it's 0. Switches to, where's the dirt? Still at 0. I'm gonna make it back to a vector 3, because there are 3 variables. So Excuse me for a second. Now will this work? I hope it does. I don't know what this would have changed, but there are 3 variables. Yeah, it didn't do anything. Okay. 9. What's that? 1, 3, 2, 1. What is its selection thing? It's at 50. I'll just negative 50. Okay, we're just gonna try. Does this work? One, two, three. Okay, there. That works. And 1. Skipped 5. Square root of 5. Still has it above. It is at 50 still, so. Man. That's why. Just make, because that's vector 3. 0, 50, 0. Okay. Now that'll work. Okay. So now I have this simple system at the bottom for the slots down there. So I've got the I can switch between these different slots. I don't have anything in the holes, but just because I only have two types of blocks so far, I'll keep adjusting this later as I need. But yeah, so break some blocks, and then where to collect some. Then you could I can't place them now. But then if you were to go over to 1, then you can place that kind of block. But then go to 2, select the rock block, you can't place any blocks. Break this one, and you can place the rock block. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Had it working. So see you next time.